Hello dear friends, hope all of you are fine and have completed your ICSE Semester 1 examinations nicely. Thank you friends for your love and support that you have showered on me during this Semester 1 preparation time. My intention of uploading video is to reach out to those students who need little help in computer applications. The views and number of subscribers have grown that is beyond my expectations. Thank you so much once again. Be with E-SHIKSHA as I promise to upload some good videos for your semester 2 also. Thank you so much. Now this is the syllabus for encapsulation. Access modifiers and its scope and visibility. Access modifiers like private, protected, public, and also friendly is there. Visibility rules for private, protected, and public access specifiers. Scope of variables, class variables, instance variables, argument variables, local variables. So my one video is there, scope of variables. You can have a look to that video also. You can watch that video for understanding scope of variables also. In this video, every topic will be covered in the form of MCQ. Hope by the end of this session, the encapsulation chapter will be cleared thoroughly. So here comes the first question. The wrapping up of data and methods in a single unit is called encapsulation. Question number 2. Restricting the access to some variables or methods can be achieved by dash. It is number 5, 1 or 2. Visibility modifier or access modifier. It means the same thing. Question number 3. Depending on the scope, variables can be defined into dash categories. Number 3. Local, instance, and class variables. Question number 4. Variables declared and used inside a method are called dash variable. It is local variable. Instance variables or member variables are declared inside dash wrapper. It is declared under class wrapper, that is after class declaration, and by putting braces then you declare all the class variables with the keyword static. Use the access specifier dash if the field or variable is to be visible everywhere. The access specifier would be public. Question number 7. Use dash access specifier if the field is to be visible everywhere in the current package only. The right answer would be friendly. Question number 8 is use the access specifier dash if the field or variable is to be visible everywhere in the current package and also subclasses in other packages. It is protected. Question number 9. Use the access specifier dash if the field or variable is not to be visible anywhere except in its own class. It is private. Question number 10 is x is equal to 7, y is equal to 9, int z is equal to sum, and in bracket you are passing x and y. Here x and y are dash variables or dash parameters. It is number 2, argument variables or actual parameters. Question number 11 is dash variables are associated with the object. The right answer is class variables. Question number 12. A dash keyword is used to make a variable a class variable. It is static keyword. Question number 13. Count the number of local variables in the given code. This is class A. These are the 2 instance variable, and here you have a method. This is the method body, and here you have another method. This is the method body. You have to count the number of local variables. As I told you, if you declare any variable inside the class wrapper, it is actually known as local variables. So in accept method, you have x1, y1. So this is 2. Another variable you have declared, that is double sum. So sum is another local variable, 3. And here result is another method or function. Here you have declared one more local variable. So altogether you have 4 local variables. Question number 14. Which variable in the given code will be shared by all the objects or instances of class A? Every object that comes out from class A will have, a variable which will be shared by all. So the right answer is, this is our instance variable. Okay, every object will have, but one copy of this variable will be shared by every object. So the question is, which variable in the given code will be shared by all the objects or instances of class A? That is, int total is equal to 100, static int total is equal to 100. This is a class variable, will be shared by all the objects. So the variable total will be shared by all the objects. Question number 15 is, encapsulation leads to dash and dash. The right answer is data hiding and abstraction. Question number 16. What is the default access specifier for variables and methods when nothing is mentioned? It is friendly. Which keyword makes a variable a constant? The right answer is final in small letter, that is lowercase. Question number 18. Is the statement weight is equal to 150 valid if written in compare method of class transport? This is the class, this is one private variable you have, and this is a method called compare where you have initialized weight with 150. Now, is this a valid statement? Yes, this is a valid statement, because private variables can be accessed in any method of the same class where it is declared. Question number 19. Modify the access specifier weight to allow it to be accessed in a class test, which is a subclass of transport. This class has got another subclass called test, and there you would like to use this variable. So you have to change the access modifier, so it would be then protected. Question number 20. Modify the access specifier of weight to allow it to be accessed to a class trial which is in the same package that contains transport. So transport and trial, they are in the same package. Now you want to use weight variable everywhere, so you have to change the modifier. So it has to be either public int weight or int weight. So both 1 or 2. Question number 21. Consider the following class declaration and state the kind of variables C, A and B are. C, A and B, they are declared in the class wrapper without static. So these are all instance variable or member variables. Question number 22. What kind of variable is A if declared and initialized in statement 2? If you declare int A, here you have int A, this is this instance variable. But if you declare in a method body, then it is actually a local variable. Question number 23. What result gets stored in A, B and C if sum is invoked? Means if you invoke this method, what would be the value of A, B and C? It would be 100 for A, B would be 10 and C would be 110. Because the local scope hides the global scope. Question number 24. Will the objects obj1 and obj2, I have written it wrong. Here I have used obj1 and obj2, and here I have written ob1 and ob2. Please correct it. Will the objects obj1 and obj2 store different value for C? No. Question number 25. Encapsulation provides dash to the hidden details, that is variables and methods. It provides security. Question number 26. In Java, encapsulation is practically implemented by defining a class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning. We'll be back soon with another interesting video on ICSE Class 10 topic, especially for Semester 2. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Thank you so much.